The fecal sludge treatment plant in Lalsot is of 20 KLD capacity. The fecal sludge from households in and around Lalsot within approximately 20 km radius would reach the FSTP 6 days a week through 4000 litre tanker. Initially, the fecal sludge is passed through screening chamber for removing the coarse materials like plastic and other large materials present in the fecal sludge. After removing coarse materials, the fecal sludge then enters into stabilization reactors, which are 2 in number, each with 10 KLD capacity. The stabilization reactor has 4 chambers. The fecal sludge will take 2.5 days to pass through chamber 1, 3 days to pass through chamber 2, 3.5 days through chamber 3 and 1.5 days to pass through chamber 4. The enrichment of bacteria and digestion occurs in the stabilization reactor. The partially digested fecal sludge collected at the bottom of the stabilization reactor in the form of slurry flows into the sludge drying beds by pump provided in the third chamber. There are 16 sludge drying beds in this FSTP. The degradable organic substances are removed in the sludge drying bed, which also improves the dewatering ability. Solid liquid separation occurs in the sludge drying bed along with drying. The dried sludge from the drying beds is removed periodically and transferred to the sludge storage yard located within the premises of the FSTP. This dried sludge will be used for co-composting. The liquid part or the effluent wastewater from the sludge drying bed enters into the collection tank, from which it is pumped to the integrated settler and anaerobic filter. The liquid part or the effluent wastewater is treated in 2 stages in the decentralized wastewater treatment system, which is called DWATS. Primary stage of treatment occurs in settler, where sedimentation of any settlable solids present in the effluent occurs. Secondary stage of treatment in the decentralized wastewater treatment system occurs in anaerobic filter, where anaerobic digestion of any dissolved and suspended organic matter occurs. The partially treated wastewater now enters into the horizontal planted gravel filter, where nutrients are absorbed by the wet plants. Finally, the wastewater is stored in a collection tank which is used for horticulture purpose within the premises of the FSTP. To test the performance efficiency of the FSTP, samples were collected after each stage of treatment process of the FSTP, which includes stabilization reactor, sludge drying bed, settler inlet, anaerobic filter outlet, and collection tank after planted gravel filter.